The first of its kind in Jacksonville, Tattersall at Tapestry Park offers apartment homes with spacious living and superb finishes. Finally, something to get excited about. Walk to work, specialty shops, and restaurants. Then, stroll home, where your unique taste is exquisitely displayed. This exciting apartment community brings new meaning to "they've thought of everything." Here, your everyday experience is interlaced with boutiques, cafes, tree-lined streets, lakeside parks, and boardwalks. You'll be astounded by the variety of amenities and services in place to cater to your every desire. Cool off in our sparkling pool or work up a sweat in the gym quality fitness center. You'll relish living just steps from the unique and unparalleled amenities at Tattersall at Tapestry Park. These fine apartment homes are as stylish as they are carefree. Here you'll find unique and spacious floor plans, high ceilings, garage parking, and a sense of belonging. Come home to a place you're proud to show off. A place that is as exceptional as its residents.